down the test day. The test day has been changed. You people are aware of the computers test that is on Friday, not on Thursday. Okay, earlier it was on Thursday, but now the computer test is on Friday, and chapters will be there in the test, Flash and HTML. So in the last week we had revised the chapter Flash. I hope that is clear to all. Flash सबको आते हैं, right? So we have done Flash for revising the revision test, which is to be conducted on Friday. So chapter Flash and HTML. So today we are going to do the revision of HTML.
11th question है the transverse displacement of a string.
Jaswin, your mic is unmuted. Okay. So firstly, HTML, we know that the full form of HTML is
Hypertext markup language.
Hypertext markup language. And the extension
.html
Dot
or
HTML or
dot
HTML.
HTML.
or
Dot
.html.
HTML.
Clear? Then the web browsers. What are web browsers? The softwares with the help of which we can able to view our web page.
Web
Able
page.
to view our web page. The examples of web browsers are
Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox,
Explorer,
Apple,
Internet Explorer,
Mozilla
Opera
Firefox,
Mini,
Mozilla Firefox,
Opera Mini.
Opera Mini,
Touch.
right? And the softwares which are used to create the HTML document that are called the text editors in
Text editors.
coding. So we are going to create HTML document with the help of text editors. The
Text
examples
editors.
of text editors are
Notepad, Notepad plus plus,
Notepad 2 gedit.
new gedit.
Notepad 2. Okay. Then the structure of HTML document.
HTML,
HTML head,
title, close,
head close, body,
body,
content of web
content,
page, body
body
close,
close,
HTML
HTML close,
close.
Head.
title,
Then there will be a title tag. Close the
Then
title tag,
document head.
content,
giving the title of the web page, so you can close it.
then we have to close head,
Head tag.
Head. Close head tag.
then we have to
the body
open
tag.
body tag,
Body tag. Now inside the body tag there will be the content, and then we have to close,
content of the web page.
close the body tag here.
body tag, and then we have to close the
HTML
the
tag.
head. Close the HTML tag.
Close the HTML tag. Here,
Tag.
so this is a structure of
Structure.
HTML document.
Document.
Clear? This is the structure of HTML document. The next is there are two types of tags in HTML.
Container tag, empty tag.
Container tags and empty tags.
Empty tag.
So number one is container tag.
Container tag.
Second is
Empty
tag.
tags.
Tag.
container tags, which are having
Both
Both opening and
both
closing
opening
tag.
and closing
Opening and
tag.
closing tag.
and closing tag. Empty tags have only,
which are
Which
having
have
only
Which are
have
having
opening
only
only
opening
opening
and
tag.
closing tag.
they are having only opening tag.
opening
Right.
tags.
So the examples
Examples of container tag
Examples of
are
container tag
HTML
are
tag,
HTML body,
tag,
title, head,
title,
header, bold, italic, underline, font, table.
container tags and the empty tags.
and empty tags.
The examples of container tags are HTML,
HTML tag,
HTML body,
title tag,
head,
body tag,
body,
bold
font,
tag,
center,
center, bold,
bold,
D tag,
italic,
I
underline,
tag, U tag,
table tag,
font tag, and table tag.
table tag,
Font
SUV
tag,
tag.
SUB
SUB
tag,
tag,
P tag,
So all these are the container tags,
heading tags,
right? And inside the empty tags, IMG,
BR, HR,
HR,
link,
case, IMG link.
link. So these are the examples of container and empty tags.
empty tag में
Yes, then write that also. Then the structure of table.
table open
सबसे पहले we are going to start the table tag and then
Table tag.
go under the
TR, TD,
TD close,
TD close,
TD open,
TD open, TD close,
close the
TR tag
TR
close.
tag and then
Then
close
again we have to
table tag.
open table tag. मैं अपने वो स्लैश नहीं डाला क्लोज के अंदर
yes ma'am
टेबल टैब में.
right. So this is the structure of table tag.
Table tag.
Clear? Okay. The next is let's revise the attributes now. Attributes of different tags. So first tag is H1 tag or any you can say H1 to
Heading
H6
tag.
tag. ठीक है कोई भी heading tag हो सकता है. So I'm assuming from H1 to H.
align
So the attribute is
Ma'am, it's align.
Align attribute.
Align attribute.
So here there will be a list of tags and this side the
Attributes.
of a particular tag. H1 to H6, the attribute is align. Then
Align.
body tag,
Body tag. And
BG
attributes
color,
are BG color, background, and text.
left
and
margin
text.
and top margin.
BG color, text,
background
top
left
margin,
top
and
margin
top margin.
Left margin.
left margin. All
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are the attributes. Okay. The next tag is font tag.
Contact.
Attributes,
Attributes are align,
Attributes are
BG color, face,
Size.
Only there are 3 attributes in the font tag: color, face, and size. No align attribute is there. Okay. Then और कौन सा टैग है जिसके एट्रीब्यूट्स हमने डिस्कस करे हैं?
P
P
tag.
tag.
ma'am, P tag, P tag,
So P stands for paragraph,
paragraph,
right? The attribute is align.
Align.
ma'am, table tag.
Then is table tag,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, attributes are
Attributes
border,
are
BG color, background, height,
self-spacing,
align,
self-padding,
spacing,
border,
self-padding,
BG
border
color,
color.
padding,
cell padding,
border color,
so you can give border, border color without any space. So all these are the attributes of table tag. Clear? Any other tag left? जिनका भी कोई attribute हो, so rest of the tags do not have any attribute. So
Yes,
यही
ma'am.
कुछ tags हैं जिनके attributes we have discussed also, right? So P tag and H1 to H6 tag is having the attribute only align, body, BG color, text, background, top margin, left margin, font, face and size.
Size.
P tag
Excuse me,
align
ma'am,
attribute.
Align.
हाँ जी.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, हमें पर्टिकुलर तो नहीं आएगा कि एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ टीआर टैग और टीडी टैग ओनली इन्हीं के आएंगे ना?
It can be there. आपको हमने कराए हुए हैं. You have already done that. TR के क्या होते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
H में क्या होगा? TD में क्या होगा? So you can
यस मैम.
write. Okay.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
अगर हमें टी और टीडी के टैग के एट्रीब्यूट्स आते हैं तो यही होंगे ना, अलाइन, हाइट, विड्थ, बीजी कलर,
BG color
Cell
you can
spacing.
set. You can set cell spacing तो नहीं हो सकती उसमें. How
No,
you
ma'am,
can
cell
set a
spacing.
No,
cell
ma'am.
set a
No,
TR?
ma'am.
अगर आप TR tag use कर रहे हैं तो TR में you can set align. You can give a BG color.
BG color.
Background.
Background.
ठीक है. आप और क्या सेट कर सकते हैं?
हाइट.
Height.
हाइट,
रो की
Width.
एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं.
width.
विड्थ तो उतनी रहेगी जितनी भी आपने टेबल की सेट करी है. अगर आप टेबल
Yes,
की
ma'am.
विड्थ 500 सेट करो तो दैट डजंट मीन कि आप रो की विड्थ 200 सेट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. सो दैट विल डिपेंड अपॉन द टेबल विड्थ. सो सिमिलरली टीडी और टीएच.
TG. TH, sorry.
ठीक है. सो इन
Align and V-align.
सेट अलाइन. You can set V-align. V-align
बीजी
आप
कलर
row
एंड
में भी set
बैकग्राउंड.
You can set V-align in the row also. Then you can give background color. You can give background image. Okay. And for a particular cell, you can set a width. क्योंकि
Width.
अगर एक रो के अंदर 2 सेल हैं तो एक की विड्थ आप कुछ ज्यादा रख सकते हैं और एक की थोड़ी कम भी रख सकते हैं.
Come.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the tags. कौन कौन से टैग्स हैं हमारे पास चैप्टर के अंदर दैट वी हैव रिवाइज्ड. तो फर्स्ट टैग इज HTML.
HTML tag.
What is the use of HTML tag?
Mark up the ending and starting of the HTML document.
Marks the starting and
Ending of the HTML
ending
document.
of HTML document. Next, title.
Ma'am,
It
it
is
is
used
used
to
to
give
give
the
a
title
title
of
of the
the
HTML
page.
HTML document.
Used to give title of
HTML document.
web page. Web page का टाइटल देते हैं कि HTMल डॉक्यूमेंट का टाइटल
वेब
देते
पेज.
हैं?
वेब पेज.
Ma'am, web page, ma'am.
वेब पेज.
HTML डॉक्यूमेंट तो नोटपैड की कोडिंग है, हम उसका टाइटल थोड़ा सेट कर रहे हैं, राइट? देन द यूज ऑफ बॉडी टैग.
It contains the content of web page.
Contains the contents of the web
It
page.
contains the
web page.
web page.
Next is head tag.
It defines the
It marks
document
the
header.
document
It
header.
defines the document header.
It defines the document header or it provides the header information.
Nation.
Next tag is B. To
It
display.
is used to make the text bold.
Right. Next is U.
It is
It
used
is
to
used to
insert a
insert
line
a line below the
text.
text.
In underline. I.
It is
It is used to make the text italic.
It is used to tilt the
Italic.
text.
So to display the text in italic.
Italic.
So that is the I tag. Next is the font tag.
It lets you
Font
change the size, color, and style of text.
It is used to change the appearance of the font, or it is used to change the color, size or style of the text, okay, or style of the content in a web page. Or you can also say that this is used to format the color, size and style of a text. क्योंकि हम इसे formatting ही कर रहे हैं, right? So next is the table tag. That
It is used to
It is
create
used to
a
create
table.
the
It is
table
used
on
to
the web
provide
page.
title of the web page.
create a table in web page.
page.
Next tag is p tag.
It is used to start
Used
a
to
new
start a new
paragraph in a
paragraph.
web
Start
page.
the new paragraph.
To display the text in a paragraph format, or to make a paragraph or to insert a paragraph in a web page. Next is BR.
It is used to
break
change
a
the
line.
line to the next
To
line.
make the line break.
Is used to insert a line break, or you can say it is used to break a line and shift the text to the next line.
Next line.
Next line.
Next is SUB tag.
It is used to
It is used to display the text as
subscript.
subscript.
It is used to display the text in a as subscript. Next is SUP tag.
It is used
It is
to
used to
text as
display the text as superscript.
To display the text as superscript. Any tag left? I think we have
Yes, ma'am.
revised.
Ma'am,
all the
heading
tags.
tag and TR tag.
Heading tag and TR tag. Heading tag.
So you can take any heading tag, H1 to H6, right? So what is the use of heading tag? हाँ जी, क्या होता है heading का मतलब? Display.
To display the text by using a different font size. A different font size.
Display the text in different heading levels.
Font
There
size.
are total 6 heading levels. 6 heading levels are there, right? H1 is the highest heading. H6 is
Lowest heading.
Lowest heading.
lowest heading. Next, TR tag.
It is used to
It
define
is
row.
used
It
to
is used
define
to
the row.
define.
In a table. तो आप रो क्रिएट करते हैं with the help of a TR tag. TD tag used to
It
make.
is used to create
the
a
data.
column in the table.
Correct. Next is TH used to make header cells in a,
Header
Header
cells in a
cells
row.
in a row.
and by default क्या होते हैं? It will be in centered aligned as well as bold. आप जो भी कंटेंट TH के अंदर देंगे वो ऑटोमेटिकली सेंटर्ड अलाइंड आएगा और बोल्ड में आएगा. ठीक है, यू नीड नॉट टू डू अ फॉर्मेटिंग टू दिस क्योंकि ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल कम इन द सेंटर एज वेल एज इन बोल्ड. एनी डाउट?
No, ma'am.
कोई डाउट?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All the tags, the meanings are clear, and the
Yes, ma'am.
attributes, all the attributes are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's revise some of the coding questions. Okay. To display the text, revision test in italics, color green, Arial font. Anji, what will be
First
the
of all, we will open
First of all, we will
I
open the
First of all,
tag,
open I
and
tag.
font tag
Ma'am, then
tag,
font
and
tag.
attribute
then font
Ma'am,
tag,
font color is
color
equal to
green
is
green.
equals to green,
and
and
face,
And
face
face is
equals
equal
to tag.
to
Arial.
Arial.
To
And we will
Arial.
And then
we will
close
write the
Face
text
font
equal
tag.
to Arial,
test. Then
and
we
then
will
we
close
will
the
Ma'am,
write
the right revision
Then
test.
we will
Revision
test.
Yes. Then first of all, we will
Then
Then we
close
will
font
close
tag.
font
And
tag
then we
and
will
then we
close
will
I
close
tag.
I tag.
I tag.
clear. To set background color of web page as red.
body
Ma'am,
BG
first
color
of all,
is equal to
body
red.
BG
BG
color
color
is
is
equal to
color
red.
is
Equal to
equal to red.
To set title of web page as revision.
Ma'am,
First of all, we will
title. First of all, we will
Title
open
will
title
open
tag.
title,
And
tag.
revision
right
tag.
revision,
Then
then
we will
title
We
close
will
will
the
close.
close
tag.
title tag.
Close.
Then close the title tag. Display the content. Work hard in heading 3, color yellow, bold, underline, Tahoma.
First of all, we will
Ma'am,
open
first of
First
all,
of
we
all,
open
we will
H3
open the
tag.
H3 tag
And then
and
we will
open
open
the
H3
font tag
tag
Then
is
we will
equal to color. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
yes,
font
ma'am,
is equal to
font color
yellow.
is equal to
H3
yellow.
Face
tag
is equal to
Face is
Tahoma.
equal to
Ma'am,
Tahoma.
then we will
Then we
close
will
it
open the
and
bold tag
open
and
bold
open
tag
the
and underline
H3
tag.
open
aligning is
the
equals to right.
underline tag.
H3 align equal to right.
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 Ma'am, then we will open bold
Then
tag.
we will open
Open bold.
Bold tag.
Bold tag.
tag.
Ma'am, then underline
Underline
tag.
tag.
The line tag.
Then we will
Ma'am, then
open
we will
font
open
tag.
font tag.
On the
Font
font
tag.
tag.
Color
Ma'am,
is equals
font
to
color is
yellow
equal to
and
yellow.
color
style.
is
Face
Face
is
equals to
equal to
Tahoma.
Tahoma.
Color yellow.
Face
Face is equal to
Face is
Tahoma.
equal
equals
to
to
Tahoma.
Tahoma.
Then
Then
मैम
we
उधर आपने
And then we
एंगुलर
will write
ब्रैकेट नहीं
work
डाला
hard.
Anji.
मैम फॉन्ट टैग के आगे
Ma'am,
Font
font
मैम
tag
आपने
के
फॉन्ट
आगे
टैग
ma'am.
के आगे एंगुलर ब्रैकेट नहीं डाला
Then उसके बाद
And
just
then we will
close
close
tag.
first
close font tag.
First of
Then
all,
we will
font,
close
then
font
U
tag,
tag,
then
U tag,
underline tag,
close
then
B
B
tag,
tag,
then
then
we will
H3
H3
close
tag.
H3 tag.
B tag and then
Then
H3
tag.
tag.
So codings are clear. How to do the codings?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's do one of the question. One more question. Okay, I'm going to write. You just observe the code here. Okay. I'm going to write one code. So HTML head title. Title close, then head close, body, text red, H1 align equal to center, HTML web page, H1 tag, BR, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. And this I want to give in green. Contact this is my first web page. Z equal to X SUP2 close SUP tag plus Y SUP tag to SUP tag close. Then P equal to A SUB tag N and close the SUB tag plus B SUB tag M SUP B tag. Now body close HTML close. Now this is a one coding, it's given to you. Now just look at the coding carefully, okay? And now you have to give the answers related to the coding. So first question, identify basic tags from the above code. Identify basic
HTML
tags.
tag,
Ma'am, HTML
HTML
head,
tag,
title,
title,
body tag.
body,
So here are four basic tags: HTML,
Head,
Head,
title, and body.
body.
Body
title, and
body,
Body.
and body tag.
body tag. Okay. Identify formatting tags.
font
Ma'am,
tag,
heading, font tag.
heading tag,
Font tag.
H1
Underline.
Underline, font
Underline.
tag.
and font tag. What is the color of text in a web page?
Red.
Ma'am,
Red.
That
red,
is red.
Red.
Background color of the page?
yellow,
Yellow.
yellow,
Background color of the page is
yellow.
yellow. Identify empty tags.
BR tag,
BR tag.
BR tag.
So in this coding, the BR tag is used, right? Which heading tag is used in this?
H1,
H1.
H1.
So the tag is used H1.
H1.
What is the full form of H1 tag?
Heading 1.
Heading
Heading
level
1.
heading level 1,
Heading. It is a heading. Heading 1 क्या होता है? 1 तो कोई full form नहीं है. H stands for heading. Okay. Full form of U tag.
Underline.
That is underline. What title will get displayed? Title क्या आएगा इसके अंदर?
Ma'am, first page.
First page.
First page.
Title is first page. The title is first
First
page.
First
page.
page.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What will be the color of HTML stands for hypertext markup language?
Green.
Green.
It will appear in a green color.
Green.
The HTML web page content is to be displayed on which side of a web page? HTML web page will be displayed on which side of a?
Center.
Center.
It will be centered aligned.
Center.
It will be centered aligned. So clear how to do these questions? So this is a sort of you can say a passage based question or a comprehension based question where the coding will be given. Now you have to observe the coding carefully and according to the coding you have to give the answers. Coding को देख के answers करनी है सभी. ये नहीं है कि आप कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं कि आप टाइटल को अपना मीनिंग दे रहे हैं, जेएमटी टैग्स कोई और लिख रहे हैं. आपको जो कोडिंग में गिवन है आपने सिर्फ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द कोडिंग यू हैव टू गिव द आंसर. राइट? एनी डाउट?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
हाँ जी.
मैम अगर हमें H1 की जैसे आ जाती है फुल फॉर्म तो हमने हेडिंग लेवल 1 लिखना है, सिंपली हेडिंग 1 लिख देना.
हेडिंग देना है फुल फॉर्म, उसकी फुल फॉर्म है हेडिंग. उसके बाद आप बता सकते हैं दिस इज द हेडिंग लेवल 1 जो भी आपको लेवल दिया होगा. ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
HTML, head tag, title, then body tag, P, here is some content given. Now next, complete the code. What will be
Yes,
here?
ma'am. First of all, we will close head.
Close
Ma'am,
the,
title tag.
yeah, firstly it will be title tag and then you will be
Head
closing
tag
the
close.
head tag here. Then here
Ma'am,
it will be
slash नहीं डाली.
BG color, P,
Align.
align equal to right
Then
here,
we will close P tag.
close the P tag here,
Then body tag close.
Body tag close.
body
Then we will
tag,
close HTML tag.
HTML close.
HTML close. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
do such questions. Okay, so you have to practice these kind of questions. Right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.